put the sewer pipe in the way?
Who put the sewer pipe in the way? You know the answer to that.
I know.
Those minions.
Minions.
Good one. Good one, man. Always in the way, he says. Always. Huh? Gotta have the minions. You know. Well, you got me there. I didn't. She is. Where you did that sewer line and just put a boiler in. What's left to do?
Tried on the copper, but it fit it.
What's up? Bring this thing down. Sweet, dirty lit. We're off and running. We are off and running. This is joining in from the upstairs. Brought it along here, got some nice fall sloping down, join into the 3-inch coming from the bathroom over there. Looking good. I hear the pump working, the circulator working. Hopefully it's still good. So yesterday we were here and replaced a bunch of cast iron pipe with PVC, so it wasn't leaking anymore. That's always good, right? Got that out of the way. Found an issue with the boiler line, hot water line for the boiler, where the cast iron must have been resting on this boiler line for a while. So today we replaced that with some oxygen barrier PEX to just a little radiator. And I just fired up the boiler and we're just bleeding the air out, getting heated up so they can get ready for winter. Man, this place needs a lot of TLC, I'll tell you that right now. The water lines are pretty corroded already. They are I'll show you, the galvanized iron pipe. And you can see this lovely line right here. I don't know what this is about. Was it a little drippy? And because see, the thing is, and also look at this dresser coupling. That's looking nice. This is actually the water line, the potable water line coming in from the city. Old stuff. So yeah, I don't know what this is from. Usually, if there's a little bit of seepage sometime, the hardness, the stuff in the water, the calcium or whatever, will actually dry up and kind of seal it back off. Lovely coupling. It's just job security, that's all it is. Focus! There we go. Oh. Ugh, nasty. Check it out, my Milwaukee cheater wrench. So this thing is actually pretty awesome because it's got different lengths of handles you can put on it. See this black part right here? You can actually unthread it from the red head and put shorter lengths in there or not have any in it at all, and you got a 10-inch pipe wrench from here at my pinky. That's a 10-inch pipe wrench there. And with this piece on right now, it's 24 inches. I love the grip on it too, the round handle versus like the I-beam style of the rigid. Definitely been my favorite, but it has been replaced. These pipe wrenches have kind of been replaced, kind of been put aside by this guy right here. See that? So this is Yeehaw. Yeehaw. This is definitely a very unique, well, unique to me, and maybe unique to a bunch of the guys who've never used this here in the States. This is a European influenced design, of course. Made in Europe somewhere. I forget where this is made anyways. Maybe the Czech Republic, or I don't think it's made in Germany, but it might be. I definitely like this a lot better than pipe wrenches because this grip right here will grip the pipe and it grips it right away, whereas a pipe wrench, put the jaw on the head, like put the jaw on the pipe or whatever, and you have to turn a little bit for it to actually grab, and hopefully you don't run out of room. In certain situations you don't have that room to swing if you need to break a pipe free, where this grips it right away and there's no loss of movement, and then the adjustment is super easy. That's funny enough. There we go. That was an old vent going outside. We deleted that because they already have this vent up there. So, sorry for the traumatic experience, but as soon as I was cutting that pipe, I realized I was going to hit my phone and knock it off. And so enough, it did. So, hope you enjoyed the ride. Didn't really mean to end up like that, but hey, you gotta have a little excitement in your life, right? Alright, let's clean her up. Here's what's going on over with this line here. This new line that we put in here is 3/4 inch. We only need that because it is now supplying a small radiator, whereas before they had several branched off of that 1.5 inch line. But we don't need that big. So we put oxygen barrier, 3/4 inch opener, PEX pipe there. Got it up and running. This thing is ancient, kind of. Not as ancient as the original one that was in here. This is some of the old piping that was put in, just kind of thrown in with complete disregard to any craftsmanship. And this pipe was actually in the crawl space with this valve, completely inaccessible unless you stuck your head back in here, if you even knew it was in here. New PVC drains from the bathroom, and oh, and these flex lines too are just pure genius, right? I've never seen this on a boiler system. These are for air, pressurized air systems, like an air compressor. That's the only time I've ever seen these flex lines is for air compressors.
Sometimes how you see those is on pumps.
Like big pumps, not these.
No.
Yeah, it's
No,
just
they're
it.
on
Big.
I see them over for vibration purposes.
Right. Alright, so you see that clear sky over there to the left? Clear sky's right there. And right about 11 o'clock is where I'm headed, and that's where the rain's at. I can see it. I can see, yeah, anyways, it's hard to tell from here. And then to the right of me, completely clear, right? But no, where I have to go, it's raining. I'm gonna run right into it now. And it's starting, as you can tell. Seriously, Ohio, get your act together. Yep, see, la-da-da, looks great. A little bit overcast. Some blue skies in the mix. Yep, looking good, looking good. I like that weather. And then you get this, and I'm going straight into it. No, I can't be over to the right or to the left, huh? I gotta go straight into it. And then you know what's gonna happen 10 minutes later? It's gonna clear up and the sun's gonna come out. Such is Ohio.